Hello everyone. Welcome back to the tech. Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Spaces. Today we are going to be doing something a little bit different. Well, I know we usually focus on 3x3 cubes, but today we're going to be taking a look at the latest flagship 1x1 cubes from GAN and X-Man designs. That's right, you heard me correctly, 1x1 cubes. Let's see how these two cubes stack up against each other.
So first up, we have the GAN 119 maglev, which comes in an oversized box with an undersized divider. This cube features auto-turning technology and a magnetic core, which is supposed to make the turning incredibly smooth and precise. I'm turning the cube right now. Oh, wow, this thing is fast. It's almost too fast. In fact, whenever I use this 1x1, I keep hitting +2s because I can't control it. Let's compare it to the X-Man Designs Apathy, which also comes in an oversized case, but without any divider. This one is like a bit slower, but it still feels pretty good. I have heard that it feels really similar to the Volk 1. Here it is. Yeah, the turning is really similar. Turning is smooth and controllable, and I think I prefer the Apathy over the 119 maglev because it's a lot more controllable and stable. But if you like fast 1x1s, then you definitely want the 119 maglev.
The entire table shake.
Now let's go ahead and take a look at the adjustment systems on these two cubes. So the GAN 119 maglev has a really interesting system where you can adjust the auto turning speed to your liking. So you use this really nice tool right here that comes in this AirPod box, and you go ahead and stick it like this, and you rotate it a bit, and then bam, it's adjusted. So that's a bit better. It's a bit slower now, so it feels more manageable. So the X-Man Designs Apathy, on the other hand, does not have any adjustment system, so you can see that when you put a screwdriver on here, it doesn't work. But honestly, I don't really think it needs one. It already feels pretty good right out of the box, and the magnets feel pretty strong. Hey guys, welcome back to WCA 1x1 Competition 2024. Today we have a couple of contestants here. Let's see who will win.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, so are you ready?
World record!
Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed this silly little April Fool's joke. Don't worry, we'll be back to our regular 3x3 content soon enough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.
Bye.